Fi ftit iktar minn sena mit-tħabbira tal-akbar investiment fil-manifattura mis-snin 80, il-kumpanija Crane Currency bdiet topera mill-faċilità tagħha f'Ħalfar. Ftit jiem qabel il-ftuħ uffiċjali, id-direttur tal-operazzjonijiet ta' Crane Currency, John Scott, li għandu snin twal ta' esperjenza fis-settur, għal One News kif minkejja li x-xogħol għadu għaddej, il-fabbrika ġabdiet l-operat tagħha bl-istampar tal-karti tal-flus.
It's absolutely tremendous achievement. We are producing live banknotes now for one of our important customers. And sometimes I think we've got to step back and think, wow, how far we've come in 12 months.
Tenna li dan il-punt intlaħaq fost l-ikbar sigurtà li hi il-priorità tal-ħidma sensittiva ta' din il-kumpanija.
We've got our first line of equipment in, on schedule, and from a prediction of 15 months ago, we started producing banknotes within 1 day of that date we gave just over a year ago. A tremendous achievement that many people deserve a lot of credit for.
Żied jgħid li wara li bdiet topera l-ewwel linja, kollox jinsab lest biex it-tieni linja tiġi installata fil-ġimgħat li ġejjin, bil-ħsieb li jkun hemm iktar tkabbir fil-ġejjieni.
We'll be putting a world-class R&D facility onto this site. We'll be using a new state-of-the-art laboratory. I've been in the industry many years, and I can say without question this will be the best cutting-edge technology available. We will grow and we want to be seen as the preferred printer of choice of central banks worldwide. That's our vision, and we've started on the right foot in that direction.
Spjegalna li l-apparat mixtri minnhom huwa top of the range u li għall-użu tiegħu hemm ftehimiet għal programmi ta' taħriġ.
That equipment allows us to print for any customer base worldwide. There's no orders we cannot be out-specified on in terms of specifications that are impossible. There's none in Malta. The equipment is the best there is in the industry.
Saħaq li l-kumpanija sabet appoġġ b'saħħtu f'pajjiżna, fosthom mill-Emcast. Fil-fatt Elix Aġus mir-Riżorsi Umani qalet li l-interess fil-kumpanija kien fenomenali.
Ċevejna ħafna applikazzjonijiet across the board għal kull pożizzjonijiet, jiġifieri kemm pożizzjonijiet ġewwa l-administration, kemm managerial, kif ukoll operators, printers kollha. U kuntenti ħafna bit-talent li ingaġġajna to date.
Il-kumpanija kienet bastret li sal-aħħar tal-2017 f'pajjiżna tħaddem mal-200 persuna, numru li diġà qabeż il-250 u qed ikompli jikber b'mod strutturat. Intant il-fatt li l-kumpanija inxtrat minn negozju ieħor, Tenna Scott, saħħaħ ferm iżjed l-operat tagħha.
They are one of the world's biggest players in cash transactions, and if you think a crane company with 150 years, over 150 years of experience and dealing now with cash transactions linked to our currency printing site, it's a very powerful organisation and we are absolutely delighted with it.
F'ħarsa lejn il-ftuħ uffiċjali fil-jiem li ġejjin, is-Sur Scott tenna li jkun mument tajjeb ta' ringrazzjament u rikonoxximent għal persuni u l-entitajiet kollha li taw l-appoġġ tagħhom biex fi żmien sena Crane Currency tibda topera u tippjana futur sabiħ f'pajjiżna.
It's a chance, I think, just to take a time out for a few hours and maybe celebrate to where we've got to, which we couldn't have got to without all of this support. So thank you, Malta. It's been absolutely great.